Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm just going to show you a remedy that would help you to get rid of, be it facial hair, you know, all those jaw hair and body hair and pubic hair. Okay, this is actually going to help you to get rid of all of those hair, and your result is going to come in few days. Like it's going to begin to remove the hair gradually, and the most interesting part of this is that it is actually natural. So it's also going to help to delay the growth of a new hair. Okay, it's wonderful. So if you want to know what it is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Comment down below and share this video, and let's dive into the video. To get rid of unwanted hair on the skin, you're going to be needing gelatin. Now gelatin is used for baking, guys, and this actually helps to, you know, remove the hair from the hair gland, and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. I'll be taking in 1 tablespoon of gelatin. I actually don't need this too much. I need just a little of the gelatin. Okay, so for this gelatin we would have to dissolve it. Okay, so you're going to use hot water or warm water, but basically it's preferably to use hot water so you can actually dissolve the little particles, and then it works really well. I'm not going to be dissolving it yet because I need to prepare other ingredients. Then we're also going to be making use of tomato. Tomato is a natural remedy for slowing down the hair growth on the skin. It leaves the skin youthful, and it also helps to lighten up the skin. It is great for removing pimples, dark spots, and pigmentations. So we're gonna be needing a little quantity of tomato in this mix. So you can either blend it or you grate it. Okay, so for me, I'm going to be blending it with this small tiny blender. The tomato in the gelatin. And we're going to also be making use of just a little bit of potato. Potato is a natural skin bleach. It helps to remove dark patches. It works in removing dark spots, and it's also a great remedy in removing all unwanted facial and pubic hair. Alright, now we're just going to prepare the potato. Cut it in bits or in cubes, however you want. And then grab a blender and blend it. So it's properly blended, and now I'm also going to be putting that. Now we're just going to mix this all up, and then we'll add warm water so the gelatin can actually dissolve really well. Although even if you don't add warm water, it's still going to dissolve, but the particles is not going to. So I'm going to be putting in just a little bit of hot water. And then I stir. This would enable the gelatin dissolve really well. If you can notice that it's actually spreading out very well. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it aside for it to cool very well, so that putting in the next ingredients is gonna be super. And we're also gonna be making use of egg. Using egg on the skin would evenly help to glow your skin, and it will also help with combining it with tomato and gelatin. It will slow down the process of hair growth since it has cooled down, so it doesn't actually cook the egg, because we need the egg raw. So I'm going to be putting in the egg whites. Now I would have to mix it and mix it really well, although you have to be quick, okay, so that the gelatin does not actually cool down too much, because when it does, it's actually gonna go stiff. That is how it works. Apply it on your pubic area hair, or your facial hair, or your body hair, anywhere, guys. So what you do is to grab this remedy, and then it's going to be very transparent, but you have to make sure that it is laid like very well on your skin where you have hairs. Okay, so you lay it really well. To allow this to like dry a little bit, not like too much, because when it's dry like too much, it's gonna be painful when you want to remove it. Okay, so when it dries a little, you have to give it a massage, a total scrub. Now this is actually going to help to weaken the strength of the hair, okay, first, before it goes off. Now this remedy or this treatment for hair doesn't just like in one day remove all of the hair, because it's actually natural, okay, but as if you're obsessed like me when it comes to natural ingredients, then it is best they communicate. So you're gonna, when it dries a little bit more, you're going to apply it more, okay, so that layer of your application is going to be very much like very thick, so that when you're actually removing it, you're not going to feel any pain. Okay, so when it dries, it's either you just peel it off, it's going to remove all of the hair at once, or you can wash it off. It's going to remove the hair little by little, although all of the hair is not going to remove when you just wash it off, but when you peel it off, all of the hair is going to remove, but it's going to be slightly painful because of the gelatin. It's invariably drawing off the hair from the hair follicles. Is as equivalent as waxing your hair, but this is less painful compared to waxing, but of course it has this tingling, feeling when you peel it off. Okay, so that's basically how you're going to do it. And if you notice that all of the hair didn't go off when you wash it off, now you have to store this ingredient, and you have to store it in a very hot place, like not cool, so that it doesn't go stiff or dry. Then you apply it the first, the second day, and the third day. Your hair is going to like uproot. So guys, it is as simple as that. Okay, when it comes to natural things, consistency makes it superb. Like, you are gonna be loving your results when you're consistent in it. Now this particular being consistent in this is that you're gonna use it in just few days, like three days at most. Okay, and your result is going to be very, very visible. All right guys, so if you did enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Comment down below and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay flawless and stay fresh. Bye guys.